Don't know how weird is it, but I think mostly it'll be theory. So helicopter is a stationary at the height of 1,005 over the ground. Okay, two conditions necessary for it to remain. So again, when I see equilibrium, so the confirmed answer and the confirmed way of writing it must be total. Sorry, not total. Huh? No meh?
那边飞机不打，也那个不。
4-2 嘛，isn't it? No? Oh, send you 4-1. Okay, send you again, D. No. So it is not the best if you just write upward force equals to downward force or any other things, because if you specifically mention that specific direction, then what if there's okay, you say upward force and downward force are balanced. What if they have the force coming from right or left? So you'll be not correct already. Okay. The next is resultant moment is 0.
Clockwise moment equal. Okay, no resultant force跟 forces are balanced.
No resultant force.
Okay.
是一个罢了。
Forces are balanced.
It's the same
thing.
So it's 1 mark.
Half mark. Oh, moment. The effect of explain the effect of this action on the human. 我讲它是影响那当中 absorb 那 impact 的，或者说呢，reduces the impact or reduces the amount of force.
The force is transferred to the hand that was staying still in the bell, so it's being on.
Okay, so you can change the
What do you write for?
increase the.
I think next month in October we'll see how that range is.
That's all. Or the ball, the forces on the ball, is transferred.
Yeah, I think that's
Huh? Vectors what? Balls.
Thank you.
Dexter got the silver tongue.
Silver tongue.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Something very good.
In your this kind of word
What's it? I don't know. No shit.
so if there is a fox, he tricking what you gonna do? Very bad.
Oh,
Okay, so 2 marks, 2 marks, 4 marks here. Speed time graph, parachute is open, parachute was 0, parachute open at 0. Reach at ground at B, point A indicate when it's open parachute. Okay, so
A 那边可以写 one 啊
A 那边写 1 A 写 1
in front of
Zero acceleration yes.
B 后 B in front of B.
In front of B 也可以。
Two is after A.
2 is after A, yes, good. 3 is
before A before one, right?
yes, this part. Okay. So this one question came out before lah, if you remember, something similar. Okay. So in terms of forces, change in motion happened in until point A. So meaning you can explain here. So this one also we have done before, some similar question like this. So you can write down 4 marks, okay, reasonable.
Oh, you're learning rules. I'm not going to get this paper.
Okay, not too tough for first one. Okay.怎样给分 So must mention 这里 constant, so mention 这个 decrease constant 哦 No matter how you write, it must involve of constant, decreasing, and zero acceleration. That will be securing your 3 marks. Then from there, you elaborate y is constant, y is decreasing, y is zero acceleration.
Which one more dense?
You don't see it there. Bigger angle on top.
Yeah.
Bigger angle and smaller angle will make it denser than fire.
So how many square is E? So let's say we practice the 2SF lah, then it's gonna be 26 lor, but it's still gonna be 25.9. If not 26, then 25.9. Find force when you have speed is F mv MUOT. So it's 24 Newton. So it catches the ball, move downwards. Hey, wait, what is this? Bring down, cricket. Ball. Move backwards, so you can say that there's a force acting against. So this one, you use this force to explain. Not necessary. They are inversely proportional lah, due to the equation above. So this is like when you jump down from high position, you will keep rolling to increase the length to stop, so that the time to stop, so that you will get less force acting on you. Time of impact is like time to stop your motion.